Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make chocolate sprinklers. Before we start off with the video, please do check out our channel for other such videos. We show simple steps to get these amazing shades. Let us know in the comment section which shade you like the most and which shade you want to see next. We also show some quick and easy hacks which you can try at home. Now to start off with the video, first I have here some white molded chocolate. You can use any chocolate you want. Next, I'm gonna chop them to bits like this as shown in the video.
To find bits.
Next, I'm gonna take those chocolates and add it into a bowl. Take as many as you require. And I'm gonna put it in the oven until it melts completely. Once it's melted completely, I'm gonna add in navy blue shade. You can add in whichever shade you require. I'm adding in 2 to 3 drops of this. And I'm gonna start mixing them. Guys, if you don't have oil candy colors at home, there is a way to get colored chocolate without using oil candy colors and by just using gel colors. I'm gonna put down the link in the description below to that video. You can go check it out. After mixing it well, you can see I've got a nice shade of blue and the chocolate is smooth. It's not hardened or thickened. Now I'm going to repeat the same process with the next color as well. For the next one, I've taken lemon lime color. Again, you can use any color you want. And I'm going to go ahead and add in 2-3 drops of this. And I'm going to start mixing them. Again, if you don't have oil candy colors at home, there is a simple way to get colored chocolate. Check out the link in the description below. After mixing it really well, you can see I've got a really nice shade of green and the chocolate is still smooth. Now I have two colors here ready for sprinklers. Next, I'm going to take a piping bag and make a small cut at the end of it and I'm going to fill in the chocolate inside the piping bag. I'm going to fill in the chocolate into the piping bag as shown in the video. After filling the piping bag with the chocolate, I'm going to press it towards the end like this. Next, I'm going to take a baking tray and I'm going to line it with a parchment paper. Since I'm doing very little, I've taken little of it, but if you want, you can do more. Next, I'm going to take the piping bag filled with chocolate and I'm going to make lines like this. Since I want thinner sprinklers, I've made a small cut. But if you want thicker sprinklers, you can make a much larger cut. Now you can see the lines are done completely. I've got very thin lines. Next, you're going to have to pop it in the refrigerator for 5 minutes. Next, I'm going to repeat the same process with this color as well. I've taken a piping bag and I've made a little bigger cut in this. And I'm going to fill it up with the chocolate. Next, I'm going to press it towards the end like this. You can see the cut is a little larger than the last one. And the lines are more thicker. After doing all the lines, again I'm going to pop this in the refrigerator for 5 minutes. After taking it out of the refrigerator, you can see it's all dried up now. Next, I'll show you how to take it out. Take a scraper that you use to smoothen the cake and just scrape out the lines. Hold it towards one side and start scraping like shown in the video. As you can see, it's coming out very smoothly. Always use parchment paper to get it this way. After scraping it out with your fingers, just break them into tiny pieces like this. Since it's very tiny, it breaks easily. Your sprinklers are now ready. I'm going to show you this with the other color as well now. Again, I'm going to take a scraper and I'm going to scrape it out smoothly like this. Once you've scraped it out, you can either cut it into pieces with a scraper like this, or you can use your fingers and break it off easily. There you go, guys. The sprinklers are now ready. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the bell icon to get notified on our new videos.